Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to another vlog. My name is Terrell. If it's your first time to my channel, please like, subscribe, and share my videos. It will really mean a lot for the channel. Today, what we have planned, nothing really. Just JC showed up and says hi. Andres have his SI. I have my piece of shit car over here. But we're chilling right now. If you say anything, cuz. And they blow.
Nah, this is how it's supposed to look, though.
Saucy.
That's how it's supposed to look, you feel me?
I love that.
You got the same one.
Yeah, but my shit, I don't have this.
The bracket.
Yeah, I need.
That's nice. Honda boy. You changed the fuel oil or that's stock?
Everything's stock. One thing that was changed was the plugs, the intake, just the exhaust too. Everything else stock.
Already sounds good.
That's the cruise control.
Yeah, you got power steering.
Power steering.
Yeah, boy, he living good.
They good in there. Hey, see?
When you saw me, remember my windows were up?
I'm gonna go look at cars. Fuck that. Woo. Light purple R34. Nah, they good. Look. I'm over here. This is hot.